Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a table of content in Microsoft Word. For this specific task we need a document that has several headings, and we are going to assign styles to each heading inside the document. So we have to know the level of each heading. For example, chapter 1 is a big or the biggest heading that we have. Chapter 2 is the same, it has the same exact position as chapter 1. We have chapter 3 also in the same place. If we look at section A, we can see that it is under section 2. So let's start by assigning styles to each heading. We have chapter 1, it takes heading 1 because it's a big heading in terms of position. Chapter 2 has the same exact position, so it takes heading 1. Section A is under chapter 2, so it takes a lower heading or a lower style. So we have a lower in position, I mean. So chapter 1 took heading 1, section A should take heading 2, B also takes heading 2, the same exact thing applies to section C. We go back and give heading 1 to chapter 3. After you assign headings or styles to each heading in your document, you position the cursor wherever you want in the document, wherever you want the table of content to be inserted, and then you go to references, and after that you go to table of contents and you insert the table of content. So it says chapter 1 is on page 1, chapter 2 same exact thing. But for if you for example change the position or the page of a specific chapter, for example if we move chapter 2 to another page, so it is now under another page, it is under page 3, and if we move chapter 3 to another page, it is under page 5. And at this point we have to update the table. So we have to go to table of content and you click on the little arrow here, and then we click update table. So we either do update page numbers only or we do the entire table. I usually do the entire table. So as you can see, we have chapter 1 on page 1, 2 on 3, and chapter 3 on page